So a couple weeks back, I did a review of the Poco M3, calling it the best budget-friendly smartphone you can currently buy for $150. Now, that price point really doesn't give you much when you look at other smartphones, but this one here packs a punch with a 6,000 milliamp hour battery on the inside that lasts at least 2 days, sometimes 3. And then a 6.53-inch Full HD Plus display, which honestly, you really can't get unless you're buying a smartphone and spending double the amount of what this phone costs. But my only real gripe with this device was with its cameras. It has a triple camera system on the back with a 48 megapixel main sensor and then a 2 megapixel macro and 2 megapixel depth sensor and an 8 megapixel selfie camera up front. The only issue is the results leave a lot to be desired. So I thought, what happens when you install the GCam camera app on this phone to see what the computational photography algorithms that Google's been working on can actually do when paired with this hardware? And honestly, the results are kind of surprising. Let's take a look at some side-by-side comparisons between these two to see how the phone actually fares when using a decent camera application to capture the images and process them as well. Since I've done the GCam camera app test on other devices, I was expecting to see an improvement in the image quality from the Poco M3. But when I looked at these images side by side, I was astounded to see how good the improvement actually is. With the GCam camera app, all of my camera complaints with this device really go out of the window. The images are sharper, the colors are crisper, and all of the white balance issues that I've had with the Poco M3 really get cleared away completely with the GCam camera app installed. Now, of course, the GCam camera app isn't built specifically for this device, so it is a little bit slower than what you get with the standard camera app installed on this phone. And video quality when recording video with the GCam camera app really isn't recommended. I honestly say stick with the stock camera app for that. But if all you are doing is taking pictures, installing the GCam camera app on the Poco M3 is definitely something you should consider. Let me know what you think of the results in the comments below and whether or not you would consider buying the Poco M3 knowing how well the GCam camera app performs on this device. If you want to see more camera comparisons and smartphone reviews, make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit that bell icon as well. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.